Model, 63-plate Toyota Proace L2H1 1200 kg starts runs needs turbo. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 150078. MOT, the 4th of March 2025. Engine, 1997 cc 2.0128 HP. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo oil seals have worn. Engine sounds good. This is a straightforward turbo replacement job, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, 3 keys, air con, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740119